big day today because we are testing the TDI-Tuning fuel module tuning box. Let's go. Let's see how she bites.
TDI-Tuning is basically telling the engine how to breathe and think better, so our Fuso runs smoother, stronger, and happier.
So we know that going up the mountain, it's like second gear. Past the train tracks, it's like you can try it in third gear. If it goes in third, then we know it's good. If it's second, then we haven't gained much.
How much the power? I think it's going to be more power in each gear. I don't know if it's going to be. Like I'm in first now. It feels pretty.
I don't know. You're driving. Let's see, this uphill section is going to tell us if we have gained anything or much.
I'm in second gear right now.
This is where it will start dying in third gear. Is it gaining?
Not dropping. That's third gear.
All right, highway. See this. Start from 0 kilometers per hour.
Clutch feel good.
It's good. We know that we're going uphill. It's a gradual uphill. It's not steep, but it's gradual and long. Typically, by the end of the hill, close to the up of the hill, it's third gear. Gonna pop it back down. We'll definitely try it in fourth and then see if it crawls up in fourth or not. There, kind of where it begins. Steeper or inclined part. The RPM is dropping down, eh?
It's definitely a little better.
It's doing it in fourth. Yeah.
Is it at 5 or 7? My foot's not all the way to the floor, right?
Yeah. Okay, so I guess we can say that we've gained some, for sure. That's good news.
Can you switch on the fly?
Yeah. Okay, let's go to 7. We're in 5th gear.
That guy's in like 200-300s. See, I didn't lose any speed.
Yeah.
It's staying steady at like 60. Before you put it in 5th gear, so
That's true, yeah.
you definitely gained some power. Definitely feels faster.
At the same time, we're checking temperatures with the laser temperature gun. Our gauge is very weird ever since that California trip. So now the gauge is disconnected, the sensor's still connected, and it looks like the reading is 100% incorrect, and the laser gun's reading is correct. Now we have the new fan. Is it running now?
The same temperature within a couple degrees.
That's good.
That's good.
I gotta say, we can give a massive shout out to TDI-Tuning because the stuff works. We definitely have gained power, significant power too, for this vehicle. We're very stoked, but we're still gonna fix the 5th gear, the gear ratio, and we have the parts now. So next on the list is getting the gear ratio fixed so we can have a functional, torquey 5th gear in this vehicle before the next road trip. So we wanted to boost the TDI so badly that we got a really epic device here to get going. Let's go, Fuso!
We've pulled parts off the Fuso, the clock is still running, and our trip to Baja is almost here.
Baja. So I don't even know what the date today is, 12th or 13th of January, and we've been blessed with awesome mild weather. Previously we had those beautiful Outback Motortech aluminum boxes, panniers installed here, but they were good, didn't complement the look of the vehicle, so now we're gonna make our own toolboxes, storage boxes. For that, we gotta do some cutting. Some parts of the truck bed, just the sheet metal, is getting cut out. We need the heat. So a bunch of things have been removed from the vehicle because before the big trip, they were not properly surface finished. We're gonna get the proper finish, get rid of that surface corrosion. Even the fenders came off. They were rusting a bit. That came off. So this is mid-January. I almost want to call it mud-January because all the snow melted pretty much. I mean, not high up in the mountains, but down low. It's mud-January 14th. And there's some update, which actually shocks me. I just walked in, I'm like, whoa. Drew was presenting me with some like, yeah, backside house, box, whatever, cool plates. And then I walked around and then bam.
Still got to cut out the doors once we figure out what size doors we're making, but way bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Probably twice the storage.
Yeah, it really complements the look. It makes it look more complete.
Somebody cut this a little crooked, but that's okay.
That wasn't me. No, that wasn't me.
We can fill it with welds.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that looks good.
And it looks awesome.
That one's not a box yet.
No.
I still got to build it. But
These are proper toolboxes here. 1, 2. This one's huge. 70 liters?
so finally, probably got 140, 200.
Wow.
Almost 300 years of storage.
Yeah.
Oh, it's inside? Well, the bolt will be inside the box eventually. That's at that line, 6 inches in, 6.5 in. Same on the other side. Way better once it's all complete.
Nice.
It's got it right there.
Nice.
We'll end up with a box. Same size door. The box will only be about, well, I could do a higher, but I don't want to go past this in case you have to use it. I moved that back and I took this off, so I just got to figure out how to route it, right?
Yeah. Partially covers the tank.
Oh, it looks better. The high, it's all ugly, right?
Yeah. Ugly part. You're turning into like a vending machine. Looks good.
Messaged the guy this morning about the best.
Awesome. January 16th. Countdown is on. He hates countdowns, but we're counting down. 3, 2, 1. Let's check.
Box, 6.5 inches in.
Big doghouse. So today we're raising both the camper and the tent to its full height. Tomorrow is canvas measurement day. Measure twice, cut once. So measurement day coming tomorrow morning. That's how we're looking.
In the next episode, our Fuso is completely stripped down, and just like people, when you walk around naked in public, the law tends to notice